What's going on, yard fanatics? It's been 2 weeks since my grass started to germinate, and I'm ready to give it its first feeding and its first mow. So it's been 2 weeks now and I'm ready to start spoon feeding my lawn. What this is going to do is going to help ramp it up and spread a little bit more before we go into that winter season. I'm going to use this liquid fertilizer product. It has an NPK ratio of 16:8, and of the 16% nitrogen that's in it, 15% of that is urea, which is the fastest acting nitrogen, so it's going to help push some top growth, help it spread out a little bit more. Plus the 4% phosphorus that's in it is gonna help drive the roots deep. I'm gonna be applying 2 types of fertilizers. The first type is gonna be a granular with malorganite. I'm gonna apply it at 0.25 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. And then I'm gonna apply my liquid fertilizer. All right, so it looks like the lawn is sitting at about 1 inch right now, and I'm getting ready to do my first mow, and I know what you're thinking. Well, I'm gonna be keeping my lawn at about 1/2 inch for the rest of the season, and I wanna train the grass at an early age to get cut that low, so that when it's time to start mowing with my real mower, it's all ready to go. I'm gonna try my best not to break the 1/3 rule. The manual Scott's mower that I'm gonna be using supposedly cuts at 1/2 inch, but I don't believe that. I think it's a little bit more, maybe like 3/4 of an inch. And I know the lawn right now is sitting at 1 inch, so it should be all right. But if any of you guys are maintaining a lawn like say around 3 or 4 inches, I would wait until the grass is about 5 or 6 inches until you do your first mow, because then you can guarantee that there's some root structure going on and you won't be ripping up any of the new baby grass plants. Like I said, the first few times I mow, I'm gonna use this manual Scott's mower because my real mower weighs 300 pounds and I don't wanna put any more stress that I'm already putting on it with my own body weight. Not that I weigh 300 pounds. I'm so excited for my first mow. After I threw my seed down, I stuck to a schedule of frequent and light watering. But now that my seed has started to germinate and it's been 2 weeks, I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with a more deeper and infrequent watering. Many people back off the light watering schedules as soon as their grass starts to germinate, but me personally, I like to wait at least 1 mow before I start slowing down my watering. I'm not gonna cut down the amount that I water, I'm just gonna cut down the frequency in which I water. For example, I was watering my lawn 4 times a day, 10 minutes each time. Now I'm gonna back it down to twice a day, but 20 minutes each time. So the amount of water that's going down is the same, just the frequency is reducing. And the logic behind this watering approach is that we want the roots of the grass to grow deeper. And how we do that is we water it just a little bit deeper each time so that the roots could reach underneath the ground and grab the water that's going deeper. Oh, and by the way, shout out to Ryan North for the awesome idea of using the MP rotator sprinkler heads. I don't know what the heck I was thinking using those orbital sprinkler rotator things. Yeah, scratch my idea. If you want an awesome above ground sprinkler system, go check out his video on the DIY above ground sprinkler systems. Now that this renovation is finally over, I could finally start to relax a little bit. I hope you guys have a wonderful Labor Day and stay safe this weekend. I really do appreciate you coming and checking out my channel, and if you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. And with that, this is George from Princess Cuts. Peace.